My
You
humble
are alone.
appearance is for the fourth defendant, Nigerian Union Government employee.
Number 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
I'm the counsel for the second and third defendant was at this section earlier, at least from 12 o'clock. We've been here together, but it's still online, but
it's like the link
it does.
says 12 o'clock, huh?
Yes, sir. We've been here since 12 o'clock, sir.
Okay, sorry, we are doing some other cases. That's why, sorry.
He was there all through, but maybe
Yeah,
online. And if I may quickly remark, my lord, sir, the first defendant, that's Comrade Ibrahim Khalil, where they as far back as 17th of January 2022, that is late. He is not a living person. And I'm aware that when I appeared in the matter in New York, then the court did directed the claimant to ensure that they amend the process. So the first defendant is not a living person. He has since died as far back.
Are you Mr. Adebayo? Mr. Adebayo? Mr. Adebayo? Mr. Adebayo, can you hear me? Mr. Adebayo? Mr. Adebayo? Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, my lord, sir.
Are you aware of motion filed by the...
I'm sorry, my lord. I'm back, my lord, sir. I think yes, sir.
Yes, are you aware of motion filed by the counsel for the other defendants? Are you aware of the motion filed by the counsel for
the second and third?
Yes, second and third defendant.
Just a few minutes before 12 noon. Yes, sir. Just few minutes. Yes, sir. Few minutes before 12, that was when I put a call to him. He informed me that he filed a motion.
Yes.
And that was just prior to because the hearing notice that the matter was for ruling.
Yes,
I put a call to him to.
It's like he's trying to
appear personally in the matter. My other senior colleagues have been appearing. So he told me.
Has he sent the soft copy of the motion to you? Or did he tell you
He sent the soft copy.
Okay.
He sent the soft copy to my WhatsApp. Yes, sir.
Okay, then what do you have to say about
WhatsApp.
What do you have to say about the motion?
My lord, sir, we are a nominal party in the matter.
Okay.
And I think we are nominal. So.
Okay, let me ask abundance. Yes, abundance.
The matter was stated today for
maybe you can come forward.
Today was stated for the ruling for the first to third defendant. My Lord, only for us to be served with a motion as at yesterday at the close of work.
Yes, filed by second and third. Yeah, the matter is supposed to be for ruling, huh?
For ruling, my Lord.
But the second and third defendants filed motion, which we were served yesterday, huh?
Yes, yeah, the close of work, my Lord.
Yeah, so Abundant, what do you say about the motion?
My Lord, the court has the business of the day. The matter was set down today for ruling. My Lord, enough time was given for any of the defendants to have opposed to any of the documents that was filed before this honorable court. My Lord, they had enough time to do that. And my Lord, they are just bringing a motion this morning when the matter has been set down already for ruling.
Yes, but the motion is trying to touch on the ruling of the court.
My Lord, they had enough time. My Lord, they had enough time to react to what every document we had filed before now. My Lord, the court has the business of the day.
It's like they're trying to erase the ruling.
Yes, my Lord, that's what they're trying to do. My Lord, they filed all their processes. They countered what we have said, which is before the court. And the court is about to give its ruling. And they just brought a motion as at yesterday just to stop the ruling from being delivered. My Lord, meanwhile, they are saying the court is to deliver a ruling on content, whereas what the court is to deliver ruling on today is the preliminary objection they raised that they will not serve with the processes of this court.
Okay, they are saying that the oral evidence should be
Should be taken. Yes, my Lord.
Yeah, but since the abandon, since the motion has been filed, I still have to look at it and decide on it. You know, either way. You can ask for money.
My Lord, that being the case, we will need a date. We are still within time to react if we are supposed to react.
My Lord, sir. Like I said, I'm sorry if I'm taking the call back. Like when I was asking what the ruling was for this, I think the counsel to the second and third defendant is assuming that the ruling is on the contempt and the preliminary objection. And if from what counsel to the claimant said is the position that the ruling slated for today is on the preliminary objection.
Yes, it's on the preliminary objection.
It will mean that the application filed is in relation to the contempt application that has not been taken.
Not even in relation to
so it means that the claimant counsel still has an opportunity to respond to the application, which is in relation to calling evidence in relation to the contempt application.
That is the argument of the second respondent, saying that this thing is in relation to the.
It's on the preliminary objection. I think the lawyer can still go ahead and deliver the ruling on the preliminary objection. Since it is not.
My Lord, if I may come in. My Lord, if I may come in.
I think the counsel to the second.
My Lord will ask for cause, but let me explain why I'm really objecting to this motion. My Lord, what is before us? The court had taken our arguments on when sorry, my Lord. Preliminary objection on whether they will serve with all the processes regarding this suit on them. My Lord, pending the hearing of our own preliminary objection on contempt.
No, so, not your own. You file a contempt proceedings.
No, we filed motion for contempt.
Then they file a few objections to the contempt proceedings.
Yes, they did. And what was adopted was their PO on service, proper service. And my Lord, the ruling that's supposed to be given to this on whether they will serve properly or not, and not even on contempt. Now, my Lord, the motion has to do with the contempt, which has not been taken yet. So meaning this cannot stop the ruling from being delivered, giving us time to react to this, pending when we adopt our processes for the motion for contempt.
Okay, the applicant's counsel have even joined. He's there. Yes, Mr. Applicant Counsel, what do you have to say about the motion? Counsel for the second one. It's like he has joined.
My Lord, I apologize for. Yes, I have joined. The community is my name, my Lord.
Okay.
My appearance is for the second and third defendants. I apologize for coming a little behind the commencement. Yes. Well, my Lord, on the last adjourned dates, the 6th day of June 2024, we took our notice of preliminary objection, wherein we objected to the status of service.
No, you objected to you objected to the contempt proceedings.
My Lord, our prayer said that the statutory forms in committal proceedings have not been served personally.
That is, your objection was on the contempt proceedings.
Yes, my Lord, and specifically, we talked about service of the contempt forms.
Yes.
And my Lord, in my argument, I did say that from that.
Please don't repeat the argument.
Oh, my Lord, I'm not repeating. I'm
on the PO have already been taken.
My Lord, I'm not repeating the argument.
The arguments on the PO have already
only
been
trying
taken.
to say.
Let's now talk about the motion that we have.
My Lord, as at the 6th day of June 2024, when my preliminary objection was heard,
yes,
we did say that from that affidavit of service that we got from the court, that the processes are said to have been served on often our clients, one of our clients. And when we left the court, often that was in court said that he was not even served with those processes. And that is why we filed our motion to say that even the position that we took, we argued on. That we have been informed.
Please, Mr. Somebody's. This matter was adjourned to a ruling on the objection you filed. It's like there's a noise from the background. This matter was today for ruling. But you file a motion to, it's like a motion to set aside the earlier order of this adjourning the matter for ruling on the, you say on the application of the plaintiffs for committal. And what we are trying to say is that the ruling was on the plenary objection, not on the motion for committal.
As the court places, my lord, if that is the case, I will withdraw my motion that I filed 2 days ago.
Yes,
I will withdraw it.
I don't have any problem with him withdrawing it. He said he wants to withdraw the application.
Okay.
If
Then I'll further adjourn it for the ruling. Because when I saw the application, I thought that the ruling was not going to be ready. When I saw the application yesterday, I thought that the ruling was not going to be ready. Yes, because since there's a pending application, I have to dispose of it one way or the other.
my lord, like I said, if the ruling is only on my notice of preliminary objection as to service.
But please, when you file the motion, didn't you know what you are even filing? When you file the motion, you should have what you are filing now.
My lord, I apologize for that. That's error on my part. Error on my part. I apologize for that. And so I wish to withdraw the application that I filed 2 days ago to allow for the ruling of the court on my objection as to the service of the statutory forms. If the business of the court permits, I can withdraw that today.
You withdraw, but I will award costs against you and adjourn after vacation for the ruling.
My lord, I'm sorry.
Yes.
I'm sorry, my lord. My lord, I've looked again at this, my motion.
Yes.
My motion, my lord, I am sorry. I'm very, very sorry, my lord. My lord, the motion has information for the court.
Yes. What is the?
My lord, the information is that in our preliminary objection, we did say that the committal processes from what we got from the court, the affidavit of service, says that the forms were served on Chidi Ofunne. And that's what I got as counsel from the court. Chidi Ofunne, the person that we mentioned, is even saying that he was not served. Well, that's a fact. I mean, that's an issue. He says he was not even served with those forms. And my lord, he has written a letter to the registrar to complain that he was not served.
When did he write the letter?
My lord, he wrote the letter on 8th July 2024, and same was received by the office of the registrar.
But it's like abandoned. It's like you have attached the endorsement copy of the in a proof of service. Yeah, I think from the. I don't want to go into.
And so, my lord, in the circumstance, my lord, there is need to address that issue. Who served it on him? There is need to address it. It forms part of our objection.
Since you have you have addressed those issues in your objection, why are you repeating them again?
No, my lord, this is a fresh issue. Our initial position, based on what we got from the court's file upon our application was that these processes were served on Ofunne. Now Ofunne came to court.
You know what you do in abundance? Maybe you just file a counter. Then we adjourn. Yes. You know, you look at the process, file a counter. When you file the counter, then I will it will be adjourned for ruling on the motion. And if the motion has merit, then, and if it doesn't have merit, I will dismiss it. Then I will also deliver the ruling on the PO. We'll now adjourn for you to enable you to file your counter. Then we'll adjourn for the ruling on the two applications. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. The application has to be taken first. But
yes,
this application has to be taken.
Yes, my lord.
So what do you do now, abundances? You want to file a counter? So, abundance, we now adjourn for hearing of the motion. Okay. Then after the hearing of the motion, okay. So, Mr. Okon, date. Yes, Mr. Udiman Adebayo, 21 of October. Is that okay? 21st of October.
Yeah, my lord, it's convenient for me.
It's not okay?
It's okay for me.
Okay. So, okay. 2-3. She's suggesting 23 of October.
My lord, 23 is not free for me.
Okay, let's find a convenient.
My lord is convenient. The 28th of October is convenient. 28th of October, my lord is convenient.
28 is not convenient for me. I'm sorry, 28 is not convenient for me. I have cases in other courts. How about 25, which is a Friday?
No. Don't sit on Friday.
The week of 21st is okay for me. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Any day on that week, sir.
Yes, but abundance Okay, fine. Everybody is suggesting 21st, 22nd, 23rd. And
I'm free on the 22nd. 22nd is okay for me.
Okay,
Any day
abandon.
that week is okay for me, sir.
Which abandon?
My Lord is not convenient. I have the matter in his head. My Lord, I could take 21st. I could squeeze myself in on 21st, on the 21st. Yes, my Lord.
2-1 is okay for me.
He says 2-1.
He says 2-1.
22nd is okay for me if it's okay by abundance.
Second is not convenient.
Abundance, what about any days on that week? What other things you have that week?
23rd is convenient for me. 24th is convenient for me.
You said 2-1 is okay, right?
2-1 is also convenient for me, my Lord.
2-1 is convenient for me.
Yes, Mr. Adebayo is 21st okay.
What?
21st, 2-1. 2-1.
2-1.
It's okay? So, case is adjourned to the 21st of October 2024 for hearing of the second and third defendant's application with a cost of 20,000 naira in favor of the claimants against the second and third defendants.
As
As a
a couple,
couple, but before my Lord becomes functus, my Lord.
Huh? Mr. Adebayo,
My Lord,
I didn't hear you.
Mistudim, my Lord.
Eh?
My Lord, Mistudim is only, I've said as a couple places, but my Lord, I'm also saying that I was not given
20,000 naira awarded.
My Lord, I'm only saying that I was not given an opportunity to say anything about the cause. I know that my Lord is functus, but
because of the delay, we wasted their time. The matter should have been for ruling today, but for your application for arrest of judgment.
as a couple.
So, gentlemen, Mr. Adebayo,
Yes, sir.
and Mr. Odiman, the abundance. That will be all for today.
As a couple,
Wishing you a very good afternoon.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, my Lord.
thank you, my Lord.
Thank you so much, and bye for now. Thank you.
Yes, sir.